Hello everyone, welcome to the BOSJOB channel. Among the various automotive body repair processes, aluminum bodies are definitely the most challenging to work with. This is because aluminum conducts heat quickly, has low electrical resistance, and its ductility and toughness are not as good as steel. Therefore, conventional resistance welding methods cannot be used to weld steel keys. It's also not suitable to use impact-based pulling methods like the slide hammer. Today, let me introduce you to the powerhouse of BOSJOB's steel aluminum body repair equipment, the Arc Stud 200 arc welding steel aluminum body repair machine. This machine has a clear LCD display and comes with an expert system. Simply select the body you want to weld. For example, whether it's a steel body or an aluminum body, choose the material you plan to weld. For instance, 1.5 mm thick aluminum magnesium alloy keys. The system will then provide the recommended welding current and welding time. The next steps are very simple. Connect your arc stud gun according to the polarity recommendations shown on the screen. Attach the dedicated key chuck to the welding gun. The specially designed butterfly nut lets you secure the chuck without any tools. The gun's curved brackets support loosen screws. One is primarily for support, and the other essentially acts as a grounding conductor. First, loosen the screws so the dual curved brackets can extend. Then, position the brackets so they make contact with the body and push the welding gun forward. When the aluminum keys lightly touch the dented area of the body, tighten the hand screws. At this point, the brackets become a stable support, allowing an assistant to press on the tail of the welding gun. This keeps the welding gun stable and doesn't move around. Then, just activate the gun switch to quickly finish welding the aluminum keys. Next, simply repeat the same procedure to weld as many keys in a row as you can. This is done to achieve greater pull strength. Then, attach the pull rod and use the puller to do the pulling. Please use a heat gun to warm up the pulling area while you're pulling, and use repeated lifting, releasing, and hammering with a sheet metal hammer to relieve stress. The used aluminum keys can also be collected, trimmed uniformly, and ground to the same length for reuse next time. In addition to the built-in expert system parameters, you can also access the welding parameters set for different conditions, allowing for customization and memory retention to achieve optimal performance, just like you know best. Besides welding aluminum keys, it can also weld steel keys. By leveraging the characteristics of arc stud welding, it can achieve an ultra-high strength that exceeds traditional resistance spot welding. You can also use it for welding aluminum studs, whether you're using them for dent pulling, or even as a grounding connection for MIG gas-shielded welding, all of which can be combined as needed. BOSJOB Arc Stud 200 is your perfect choice for aluminum body repair. Follow BOSJOB, making automotive body repair easy.